Welcome to the Hub. In 2020, the pandemic situation came in to expose the power of nature and the vulnerability of every man made aspect on earth. From global businesses to local administrations, every sector and section have been under the grill. The systems across the globe were capsized to unimaginable levels. This included the educational systems as well. The scope, purpose, intention, and outcome of the educational strategies and methods have been exposed, creating a new hope for reformation and revolution. The big difference is that this time the transformation has been called for by the end receivers of the education, the students themselves. The question of how much the current education system empowers one to handle the unforeseen twists of life in its best and worst form has been heard loud and clear. This hub attempts to provide some part of the answer, if not full, through the approach of enhancing wellness across every walk of life, such as health, knowledge, skill, finance, family, society, and so on. Our mind, body, and soul are made of and held together by energy. It has all the necessary resources for our existence. We just have to pay attention to them. Yet, on our quest to fulfill our materialistic demands, we have unconsciously reprogrammed our own energies, succumbing ourselves to diseases and disorders. The Hub intends to know and share the ideal methods of nurturing your internal selves to achieve our external aspirations. The Hub has a vision to support and enrich children and women to visualize their dream life and accompany them along the right path and opportunities to reach the destination of their dream life. Value yourself and invest in yourself. Allow yourself a bigger vision and make a bigger difference. What are the key features of the Hub? Design and build your dream life with ease and no stress. Learn to be an intentional visionary. Learn the framework of designing your ideal dream life. Learn the core influential ways of making your dream life into a reality. Find the congruence between your dream desire and your practical way of life. Find your best vibrational frequency. Realize the impact of focused consciousness towards goal achievement. Undergo thought energy targeting training on goal and action planning. Recognize the transformational energy inside and outside you. Manifest your dreams sooner with strategies that produce your dream results. Train your mind to heal the body purposefully. Know the difference, importance, and relevance of being healthy and being well. Learn to find the best strategic therapeutic method that works for your inner and outer self. Understand the fundamental energy units that build the human body inside and outside. Energize your world of associates with your inner calmness and intensity. Support benefits of the Hub. Be part of a community of wellness aspirants and experts who can handhold you just in time of need. Be involved in vision implementation challenges to reach your goals quickly and successfully. Be ready to energize and surround yourself with those who willfully enkindle your dreams. Elaborate and detailed explanations of growth concepts will be given. Personal consultation and review for individual improvement will be done. One-to-one discussions on concepts, trackers, assessments will be done. Routine tracking of sleep, thought, and behavior. State of the mind and work schedule assessments. Coaching to evaluate and energize the 5 universal elements in the body, its organs, and systems. Coaching to utilize the pressure points in the various parts of the body. For elaborate discussion and follow-up on topics, there will be group live sessions, weekend meetups, weekend forum, monthly forum, and ad hoc meetups. Online seminars and webinars will be conducted frequently on exclusive topics pertaining to health, wellness, life aspirations, and inspirations. Register to receive the notifications. If you find the information in this video useful and beneficial, please like it and share it with your family and friends who may also find it useful. Register at www.dlh.life/registration and receive all the necessary input on the various lifestyle designing programs and courses available on the website. You can even book a free consultation to understand and get clarified about the various concepts and programs at www.dlh.life/consultation. We also have free and paid membership programs. We also offer free and paid health consultation. Please avail the services through the website through the registration link. You can submit your queries on health and wellness, success and growth, inspirations and aspirations using the inquiry form at the website. Be part of private social media groups to receive life-changing tips and strategies. Stay connected to the hub through the private social media groups. Get updated on exclusive topics of individual and social growth through YouTube, podcasts, emails, and so on. Get the benefit of health products made available through the website. Value yourself and invest in yourself. Allow yourself a bigger vision, make a bigger difference.